Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy and today I'm very excited to share with you the unboxing, setup and first projects of the Procolored K8 DTF printer. If you've been looking for an easy to use printer that's powerful enough to bring your creative ideas to life, this might be the one you've been waiting for. With this printer you can customize a variety of items, and it's especially ideal for small custom t-shirt businesses or DIY projects. The Procolored K8 printer is compact, easy to use and maintain, making it perfect option for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. In this video, we'll take a look at what's inside the box, how easy it is to set it up, my first impressions and projects with this machine. This printer is designed with small and medium-sized businesses in mind. It's perfect for those who want to get started in DTF printing, offering easy to use, low maintenance, and high performance, ideal for elevating your personalized projects to the next level. Some of its standout features include one-click ink setup, simplifies the ink loading process with an intuitive, mess-free system, automatic waste ink recovery, and wide ink circulation to prevent clogs and keep the printer running smoothly, print head protection system for durability, film cutter for precise cutting, self-cleaning system to reduce maintenance efforts. During the unboxing, you were able to notice how well packaged this printer comes. And here is what's included in the box. The DTF Oven, beautiful and practical for curing your prints. An accessory box includes all the necessary tools for assembly, each labeled for easy identification. And here are some magnets that you can place on your machine. I'm going to place them on my machine already. And this is the USB cable, USB memory stick, and dongle. This contains the software and instructions for setting up your printer. Extra tools and spare parts. These ones are cartridges, a screwdriver, and below comes with funnels. These ones are very useful to refill the ink. And this is the cleaning toolbox. It comes with syringes, Q-tips, more ink cartridges, and a waste container. A roll of transparent film, perfect for printing your designs. This one is 8.3 inches wide. Additional spare parts. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as they are delicate. Now that the unboxing is complete, I'm ready to start setting up the Procolored K8 DTF printer. This compact printer is designed to print up to 8 inches wide, which makes it perfect for smaller or standard size design. However, if you need to print larger designs, Procolored offers another option, the Procolored K13 DTF printer, which can print up to 13 inches wide. This gives you the flexibility to choose the printer that best suits your needs and the type of projects you plan to work on. Currently, these printers are available through Kickstarter, but they will soon hit the market for everyone to purchase. I'll include the link to both printers in the video description below, so you can check them out if you're interested. And I'm going to start assembling the DTF film holder. But first, we need to remove the yellow clamp. Unscrew it carefully to avoid dropping the screw inside the printer. Now go to the back of the printer and remove these screws. Attach the arms that came in the assembled toolbox and secure them tightly. Now we're going to place the film roll. Ensure the film is loaded with the matte side facing up and the glossy side facing down. Align it completely to the right edge of the printer. Now we're going to install the film cutter. Loosen the screws slightly. Position the cutter and then tighten the screws securely. Now we're going to connect the printer. Use the USB cable to the printer to the computer and plug it into a power source. Turn on the machine on the back and on the front. Make sure the paper is aligned to the far right side. Use the down arrow to feed the paper forward and the up arrow to adjust it. Use the cutter to trim the paper if needed. Now we're going to fill the ink tanks and cartridges. Make sure you use only a special DTF ink, which I'll link in the description below. Fill each tank using the funnels provided in the toolkit and make sure you follow this order: cyan, magenta, black, yellow, and white. I'm going to start with the cyan. And I'm going to do the same with the rest of the ink, always following this order. Now that I finished filling the ink tanks, I'll move on to the filling the ink cartridges. The process is very simple. Just press the button on the top left corner of the printer and it will automatically handle the task for you. This is the easiest method, but if you prefer, you can also do it manually using the syringes. If you prefer to do this method, use a clean syringe for every color to avoid contamination. After filling the tank cartridges, extract some ink from the waste tube to ensure proper flow. Now it's time to connect the printer to your computer and install the required software. Connect the USB cable, the USB drive, and the dongle to your computer. Open the Procolored USB drive on your computer. Press on Procolored K8. Press on this other folder, and here you're going to press on number 2, Software and Driver. Then here you're going to select Epson L800. Install the software following the on-screen instructions. Once that's complete, install the RIP software by selecting the file Prorip v2 and again following the on-screen prompts. Open the program and this is where you upload your images for printing. I'll guide you through how to insert the images for printing, but first there are a few important steps we need to complete before getting started. And first, we're going to select the metric units. We're going to click on these three lines, then scale unit, and here we can change it to millimeters, centimeters, or inches. I'm going to select inches. Then next, you can change the language. Always clicking on those three lines, then select language. In here, you can pick the language of your choice. I'm going to select English. Now we're going to resize the working area, the canvas. We're going to click on this icon. Then here we're going to type the measurements. My film measures 8.375 inches wide. So I'm going to type those measurements here. And since it's a roll, we have a little more freedom for this measurement over here. I'm going to type 12 inches and click OK. The working area is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the image that I'm going to print for my first project. I'm going to click on this icon over here on the top left corner. I'm going to select the folder where I have my design, select it and open it. Once here, you can resize it to your liking. You can use the dots on the corners, but if you want to print with specific measurements, you can use the sidebar on the lower left corner, and there you can type your measurements. After resizing, select it, go to the right, and here you're going to make sure we have 3 layers, 1 in color and 2 in white. RGB is the color layer and W1 and W2 are the white layers. Now select the white layers and make sure you select 100% white under any colored pixel. If you don't have 2 white layers, make sure to add 1 using the plus symbol. We need to have 3 layers, 1 color and 2 white. Now we're ready to print. Select it and then click on Rip. Now here we're going to select driver setting. And here on combination we're going to select V1440 by 1440 DPI. Click OK. Go all the way down, and here is very important to select mirror image. Every time we're printing DTF designs, we need to select mirror image, especially when we are printing text. If everything is ready, click on print. If you are interested in learning more about the Procolored K8 and K13 DTF printers, check out the links in the video description below for additional details. The Procolored K8 printer is perfect for beginners and small businesses. The maintenance of this printer is much easier. As you can see, it's printing the design really well. Once it's finished, press the down arrow to feed the paper forward. Then cut using the blade. Next, I'm going to place the printing on top of the cookie tray, and then I'm going to place the DTF powder on top of the design. I am using the Procolored DTF powder. The adhesive powder is an essential part of the DTF process. It ensures the design bonds well with the fabric during the heat transfer. Spread a thin, even layer of powder over the printed design, covering every part of the ink. Once covered, shake it off to remove any excess. Next, we're going to use the DTF oven to cure the design. Turn it on, and we're going to bake it at 120 degrees Celsius for 180 minutes. And the design is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. As you can see, it did a great job. And look how vibrant the colors look. This design is gorgeous. I'm going to use it to customize a cotton white t-shirt. With this print, you can also customize darker fabrics. Well, now I'm going to go ahead and press it to the t-shirt so you can see how it looks. I am using a 100% cotton t-shirt. This is white, but like I said, you can also customize on darker fabrics. I'm going to press the t-shirt for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Then I'm going to clean using a lint roller. Then, using a t-shirt ruler, I'm going to align the design. Then, I'm going to place a piece of butcher paper on top, or Teflon layer, and press it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 seconds. After pressing, we're going to let it cool down completely before removing the transparent film. And this one is ready. Look how beautiful. The colors are vivid and bright. And the design is flexible. It stretches with the fabric. I am happy with the results. What do you think? It's beautiful, isn't it? As you can see, this beautiful t-shirt is customized with a colorful design that looks vivid and bright. And it was so easy to achieve with the Procolored K8. The process is simple and the results are amazing, making it perfect choice for both beginners and small businesses. If you are looking for a reliable, easy-to-use printer that delivers high-quality prints every time, this one's for you. What's great is that you're not limited to just white t-shirts. You can customize t-shirts in any color with amazing results. And it's not just t-shirts. There are so many items you can customize with DTF printing. I have a tutorial where I show you 10 different items you can personalize. And I'll link that in the video description and right here on the i above. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check it out. I also customized these flour sack kitchen towels and I wanted to show it to you. Look how beautiful they look. I love these designs. If you like them, I'm going to link them in the video description down below. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, review, and tutorial of the new Procolored K8 DTF printer. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.